Hmm. Hmm. Oh, damn it. Lost them all. There it is. Finally. 1 second, people, and we'll gut this.
Sorry.
You're okay. I had picked something I've been working on. Okay, let me gut this. I'll be done in 2 seconds. You guys see that's open? Sorry about the way I had to let my little doggy out. I've been working on this Dorma for a while. Oh, come on. It's been a pain in the butt. Kind of like these screws. Pain in the butt. Man, them things were put in there good. Guten tight. See, I do speak German. Guten tight. Alright, you guys know the golden rules. When gutting, we shim. And look, everybody, I got a new shim. That other one, it's gutted about 1,000 guts. I think it's okay to move on to a new shim. And you break our Petersons out. They've been jealous I've been using the Jimmy Long so much. Alright, let's slide this over. Oh, everybody gets a good view. Pen 1 is the basic. Pen 2 is the basic. 3 is a basic. Pin 4 is a basic. Pin 5 is a basic. And pin 6 is a basic. Oh. We gotta break out our good tweezers. The fine china tweezers. Pin 1 is a basic. Pin 2 is a basic. Pin 3 is a basic. Yeah, all basics. 4 is a basic. 5 is a basic. And 6 is a basic. Yep. What made this lock so challenging is the tolerances and the bitting. This lock you had to use heavy tension just to get a pin to where you could set it to find the binder. And then if you overset one pin, everything, you just knew you were overset. You couldn't get nothing to save your life. Has a specific picking order, which is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And the 6, look at this, super high lift. Second one's a super high lift, which when you go to set this, you automatically kind of overset one, so it's a wrestle. This is going to be an excellent lock to CL. Alright everybody, if you enjoyed this pick and gut, make sure that you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Turn that notification bell all the time because, well, we'd be picking some pretty cool locks. And you guys know what to do. Happy picking, y'all.